Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, on the beautiful, beautiful Monday afternoon. Today is trading day 12/18/2023, and we are back. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Welcome back. It's a beautiful Monday, everybody. Let's get straight into the trading day. So real quick, strategy section. It's going to be the same every single time. It's not going to change until the foreseeable future when I start testing and back testing different and new strategies. Until then, we're sticking to this till we're able to master this. All right, everything's good. Sorry, I'm going a little crazy. Straight into the strategy section of the video, which is going to be the Keltner channels, which is our pink line, the VWAP, which is our blue cayenne line, and the Keltner channels, which are yellow/beige line. And then we are using the MACD, the RSI, and we are using volume. We also use technical analysis. Technical analysis is what we use to be able to read what we're seeing in front of us. So all these little bars, that's price, that's analysis, price analysis. Sorry, price action and analysis of the chart. You also have support, demand zones, supply and demand zones. You have areas of resistance, areas of support. You have trend lines. You have diamond patterns. There's a million different things. Point being is that it's very important in your strategy to know what you're looking at and be able to identify these patterns as they tend to come up in the market time and time again. And usually when you're able to recognize these patterns, you can profit off of them. So that's why it's really important to look at a combination of things and be able to create an idea, which is your strategy. That's your idea. Your idea is your strategy. And then everything else has to build around your idea and your strategy. Your risk management, where your take profits are, what type of style of trader, whole mess of things. Now let's get real quick, guys. I left it a little dragged out, the intro and the strategy. You know, I get it. But I left it like that for a reason, because today was a real quick, simple trading day where we identified an edge roughly quick. In the beginning of the session, we had identified an edge and we profited. So coming into the next section and the next segment, we're getting straight into the analysis. It's going to be the analysis section of the video. So real quick, coming into the open, on the 2-minute chart, we had a 2 ATR move. So this is opening bell right here. And within the first 15 minutes, we had a 2 ATR move to the upside. Well, 15 minutes is going to be here. Yeah, right around here. Yeah, right around here. This one's still justified. From the bottom of this Keltner channel to the top of this Keltner channel is a 2 ATR move. So we knew it was going to be a bullish day, and we were just waiting for a retracement. I had thought about getting in a lot earlier than I wanted to, because I was able to identify where the market was going. And unfortunately, I didn't get in, and I just waited for the pullback. So looking for this, coming into the opening, we noticed a 2 ATR move. We were waiting for a breakout and a retest, which is what we got here. This is our 2 ATR move, right? You got your chop, you got your retest around here, and then you have your breakout. This is your breakout. We're waiting for this initial breakout, then a retest of that breakout, to then a second breakout. But that's what we were looking for. We were looking for this. At the beginning of the day, we were looking for this. So come 1024 is our first entry, which is going to be right around here. 1022, so 24 is going to be here, whatever. We had our entry at 471.5. So 471.50 is where we had our entry. So right around here is where we had one entry. And then at 1046, we had another entry around here. So we had two entries. We had an entry here and we had an entry here coming into the beginning of the day. As you can see, this level was taken into, retested, came in, retested again before it shot up. It's the same thing that we were looking for here. Came in, came down, retested, came down again, retested, and it came all the way back down to the beginning of the move. to the beginning price action at the beginning of the opening candle. Came in right around here, and the fact that it was building support around here and it just stayed doing nothing around this same area where we had previously opened, that was my signal for a second entry, and that's when I was able to put in my second entry. Once I had put in my second entry, we just waited throughout the day from 1024, as you can see, 1024. Second entry 1046. Second entry 1046, and then after that, sky's high. We never looked back. We took 80% profits on both of the options that we had opened up, and we ended off the day. Beautiful winning position, beautiful winning day. You love to see it, and can't ask for anything more. So that was how I identified an edge in my strategy, how I used my strategy to identify an edge, and how I used technical analysis to then further enter a second time and be able to take my gains twice all the way up to 80% profit on both of my options. So real quick, we got out at 472.50, which is right around here. On this, we got in here and we got in here. We got in double here and here, and we exited both positions up here. Beautiful win. Can't ask for more. Can't ask for more. Can't. You just can't. So real quick, just a quick observation, and now let's get straight into the what did we learn section of this video, or what can we learn or do differently. So what did we learn? So what we learned today was that when it got to the high where we had taken out all of our profits, once it got there, it built a base, and it built a base between the Bollinger Bands. What do I mean by that? If you can see here, there's a quick pattern that's pretty easy to identify. Consolidation. The rest of the day, we consolidated at the same 472. Basically, we consolidated at around the highs of the day. So what can we learn? What can we learn is that another day when we see that price is consolidating around the highs and in between the Bollinger Bands like it is. The Bollinger Bands are staying compressed. They're not opening. As you can see, this is an opening Bollinger Band as curling up. This is a stagnant Bollinger Band. Very static. It's staying in a very specific range. So the what can we learn section is, once we see a high of the day and it isn't bought back up, right? It isn't bought back up with strength, with heavy strength in terms of volume and price action. It isn't bought back up to then continue moving in the up direction and holding that uptrend throughout the day. Generally speaking, when we see that and we see that the highs are not tested, we're going to have this choppy day here. Now, it's not an automatic assumption. I would first wait till it got down here, and then it got up here. And then the way that I would trade it was, okay, I know that this area here is extremely important and it's probably not going to get sold because we got a trending day on our hands, 1. We got a bullish day on our hands, 2. And 3, we identified a support area. And on top of that, we also identified that it's range bound. It's in between the bottom of the Keltner channel / Bollinger Band and up to the top. So it's from the bottom here of this indicator to the top of this indicator, to the bottom again, to the top, to the bottom, and just constantly in a range. Once we would have been able to identify that, the way that I would have set a trade to put in place to be able to make money is I would have put a play that as long as it stayed above 472, I would have made money. And I would have done that with options, because you cannot do that selling and buying stocks. The only way you can make money when price action is doing nothing and it's not going up or down, the only way you can make money that way is through options. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little Monday video. We had a beautiful winning day, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode of Day Trading to Profitability. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out the Discord link below. Make sure to join us. And as always, if you catch me while I'm making these videos, I'm always going to be in the Discord, and you guys could always hop in and talk to me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe again. Quick little reminder. Check out all the videos on our channel, and always be sure to come back. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. See you guys tomorrow, Tuesday.